So welcome to the fourth and final piece to submitting your summer food service application packet. You know the drill. I'm going to go back into my sponsor summary page, clicking SFSP, going up here to the icon, clicking the 2022 program year, and then clicking my sponsor. So here we go. Here's your sponsor summary. Everybody at this point should have these three required pieces: your sponsor information sheet, your sponsor budget, and your site info sheet should all be in pending submission status, which means you've entered everything that needs to be entered on those documents and they're saved. And the last piece is you're going to stay right on this page on the checklist document, and you'll see that I am under a public school, and for a required document, and this will happen for all sponsors, they're all going to have the required summer food service program agreement as a required document for you to download, sign, and upload as an attachment. So pretty easy. You see this red button right here. It means it's a PDF. So you're going to click it. It's going to download to your computer. You can open it. From here, you can print it, and you're just going to have your legal agent or your executive contact sign and date, and then you'll upload it back to your computer and upload it here using the action button that's blue in your checklist documents. So there it goes. So as soon as I did that, you'll notice that this button appeared, and I'll get to this in a minute. For your required documents, there's a bunch of other ones listed here where, because this is a private public school, they were only made to do the agreement. But if you're a private nonprofit, you'll have to upload your 501c, and that will be a required document for you. And if you contract with a vendor, or if you purchase meals through a vendor, you'll have to upload a copy of your food service management contract. So here we go. Right here is the button that you're going to push to submit everything to our office, to the state office. And you'll notice that as soon as I hit that, everything went to pending approval. So as soon as you hit that button, keep in mind you can't go back and edit anything until we've approved it, because we don't want you in there making changes as we're looking at it. So it will have to wait, if you do have changes to make, for our office to submit it back to you. But other than that, that's it. You're done. You're waiting for our approval. It will say when it's approved here by us, so don't worry. You'll see, as long as it says pending approval, you know it's gone to us to look at. Keep in mind, if you have sites that you want to add later, you can. You're just gonna ask us to add the site to your sponsor, and then you can fill out a site info sheet from there. But just back to the site piece, when you have that list of sites in front of you, everything needs to be completed or deactivated, or else the application will not submit. So that's it. You're done. See you later.